Hello, hello mga peeps! Kumusta? So, gala-gala na naman tayo. So, pumunta kami sa City Max ng Maynakil, malapit sa Alnaim Mall. Malapit po yan. Sa City Max. Ano nga? City Max Hotel. Ito yung City Cafe nila, all-day dining. So, we were interested to try there. What we call that one? Kabayan Budol Fight. Pero before that, tutur muna ko ano ba yan? Itutur ko muna kayo. Hay, nagkabalintong ang Tagalog ko kasi Bisaya ako, sorry po. So, tour muna tayo dito before I introduce you to their Kabayan Budol Fight. So, this is it. Beside this City Cafe, may ano din sila, Clay Pot Restaurant. It is, I think this is an Indian dish restaurant. And dito na kami naupo kasi marami kasing anong tawag niyan? Customer, kaya ayun. Dito kami, okay lang naman kasi same establishment lang naman, same hotel. So, ito yung makikita mong view. Or in fairness, it's nice. It's a very nice view. Ayan, ito from the side of the Clay Pot restaurant. Yung sa may kabila, yun ang City Cafe. Magkatabi lang sila actually. So, ayan. Parang buang. Ayan, walang magawa kasi that time nag-aantay kami sa namin. Ito na yung order namin, Kabayan Budol Fight. And if you order like 2 packs, 2 person, it will be 49. And if you order 4 packs, it would be 89. So, napadami nga yung order namin. Nakala namin, konti lang. Ang laki ng nila. Marami na, busog kami. Inubos namin talaga lahat yan. Kasi sayang naman. And in fairness, masarap. Masarap yung nila. Masarap yung, anong tawag niyan? Budol Fight nila. So, that's it, I think, for this day. And actually, before pala, may sila pa, corn soup ata to. Oo. Ito, corn soup. Sabi nila masarap daw kasi matamis-tamis. Yung pagtingin ko, corn soup pala. Pagtikim. Huy! Diyos ko, Lord. And this is the first floor of City Max Hotel. Oh, ang ganda ng vibe niya. Charot. They also have bar, like hurdle bar ba yun? But we didn't, hindi na kami napunta dyan kasi hindi namin trip. So, that's all for today. Babush Kalabush. Enjoy watching. Mwah, 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 mwah. Ingat!